The next things that you can do for maintenance on your axle and suspension system is checking the torque spec of the lug nuts on your tires. And before you do this, you'll want to make sure that you're either connected to a tow vehicle or you have your tires chocked so that there's no movement on your trailer. You'll want to make sure that your chocks are each facing a different direction so it holds your camper in place. Now, to begin checking that torque spec for your lug nuts, you'll want to make sure that you have the correct rating for your tire and axle suspension system. For smaller or the most common tire size, it's going to be 120 foot-pounds, but that will increase with the increased weight rating of your axle and suspension system. That can increase all the way up to 270 foot-pounds. Make sure you check either our owner's manual on our support documentation site or check the owner's manual provided from your OEM or dealership. For these tires, the weight rating that we're supposed to torque to is 120 foot-pounds. And when we use our torque wrench, we'll have it set down here to that 120 pounds, making sure that dial is on 0. And then when we use this on our lug nuts, we're going to use a star pattern and always jump to the opposite side to torque. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That pattern will continue no matter how many lug nuts you have on your tire, always making sure to go to the opposite side of the tire to make sure that these tires seat evenly. Torquing your tires should be done every 3 months or 3,000 miles, whichever comes first. And that's because during travel, those nuts can loosen from the vibrations of the road. After torquing your tires, you'll also want to check for that even wear across your tire tread and make sure that there's no damage or holes across the sidewalls of your tire. Inspecting this will help you prevent blowouts of the tire and extensive damage to your unit.